Mela, hawnhekk washing powder. Softener, pre-wash. Okay? The power button. Then there is the standard wash. There is the Eco, which is the most economic one, and it takes 1 hour 18 minutes. The standard, the pre-wash, the quick wash is 15 minutes for just a couple of, it's half load. This is the spin, this is rinse only, and this is the spin, and these are for the Eco synthetic. Then for the temperature, let's say the Eco wash, temperature, you can adjust as you like. This is 30, this is 40, or 60 or 90, or it's cold this way. Speed, you can alternate 1200, no spin, 5, and this is for the intense extra rinse. Basically, that's it. And just to make sure you don't overload it, because it might do severe damage. That's it.